Hey up guys, it's Dave writing 41 songs in 41 days. So just to let you know, today's little challenge that I set myself, I failed at, but it's alright, I wrote a song. One of my friends commented on one of my videos saying that I should write a song without using a guitar at all. I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do a song with just vocals. Let's get cracking. So I'm kind of feeling like the other day when I did a song not on guitar, I just did the ukulele. It felt like a little bit of a cop-out, so I'm thinking it'd be quite good if I could try and do an a cappella song. But I think I'm going to have to do it my way. What I'm thinking is, the best way for me to do it is to use the guitar to do it. Because this is my instrument, this is what I know. Basically try and just write a song kind of as normal, but keep it really simple. And then record each of the parts down, and then replace those parts with the vocals. So for example, I've already been thinking, I want to do like a 50s kind of thing. So I was thinking just the 50s progression. So I'm just thinking bass notes like da-dum, da-da-dum, da-dum. I think it could be quite a nice little thing to experiment with. It's something I've never done before. It's just a bit of a challenge, just a bit of fun. But first of all, I need like a little bit of a song to work with. So I'm just gonna see if I can come up with something simple. Okay, I think I've got like a little versey part here. So it's just a 50s thing. The wound is where the strength will be, 'cause we all get hurt sometimes. See you on the other side. Be stronger sometimes. I saw this on like a nerd writer video ages ago about this kind of, I mean I'm probably wrong with this, but this Japanese thing about mending pottery.
The idea of embracing our wounds, our brokenness, is manifested quite poetically in the Japanese mending practice of kintsugi, literally meaning golden joinery.
A bowl breaks, rather than replacing it, they fix it with gold, and it becomes a part of the history of the bowl, and it tends to get stronger at the points where it has been broken before. And I think that's a really nice like metaphor for the wound is where the strength will be. That could work. I just need a chorus now. Right, I've gone really simple. Time, you'll feel better in time. Sorry, I'm whispering, it's a bit, I don't feel like I can be very loud at the moment. Okay, I can be a little bit louder now. It's a more reasonable time of day. So I've changed key of it. I'm doing the key of D, and it's mainly because I don't think my voice can go down to the F. I don't really have a low-pitched voice. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm just kind of inputting like the chords and that bass line thing into Pro Tools, just so I've got something to work with. I'm thinking about just trying to do like a 4-part harmony thing. So the question is, can I write a song with no guitar? Of course I can. The problem I've got here is execution. I just cannot make this sound good. I mean, I'm not wanting to spend hours and hours and hours trying to get these vocal parts to fit properly. So what I'm thinking is, I'm just going to record it, and I'm going to say, I failed at that. I haven't wrote a song without a guitar. I've done it with the guitar, and I don't give a flying. So I'm going to record the song with the guitar now. I set out today to write a song without using a guitar, and I ended up using a guitar. I wrote a song. It's very simple. It's got a 50s vibe to it. If you want to check out the song, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.